Hi folks, Brian Cade from the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams, where the coffee's always hot. Nope, never stays hot, ever. Just wanted to take a few seconds here and thank you for stopping in and enjoying our videos. Please take a moment and like and subscribe to videos. This allows us to upload more content. Until next time, folks, have a good day. Hi folks, today we've got something a little bit different. The land that the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams is built on needs a little bit of maintenance. So we've asked Reclaim Land Management to come in and remove some trees and clean up some of the scrub that's on our property. It's November in Michigan and the snow's about to fall, so we want to get it cleaned up before we have a ton of snow out there. So, George and Alfred are going to help us around the property to give you a look. If you'd like to get a hold of Josh at Reclaim Land Management, I will leave a phone number in the description. So sit back, relax, get yourself a cup of coffee, and enjoy the cleanup of the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams land. Reclaim Land Management brought out their 333G with an operating weight of 12,100 pounds. It has an anti-stall feature, differential steering, 2-speed drivetrain, reversing fan for cleaning out heat exchangers and filters. This blows out all of the dust while it's running. It's got heat and air conditioning, a windshield wiper, has an operating capacity of 3,700 pounds, and can lift to a height of 11 feet. The FAE mulching head for the mini excavators, this fixed tooth mulcher has a working pressure of 2,200 to 3,050 pounds per square inch, and shredding a diameter tree up to 8 to 9 inches. As you can see, the property the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams is built on is very beautiful. We have 10 acres with paths and roads and a driveway throughout the 10 acres. The driveway has been coated in gravel for ease of ingress and egress. And now, in the fall time, the leaves are turning and things need to get cleaned up. As you can see, some of the trees have fallen down, they block the roads, they're blocking access to the wellhead, and we need to get this stuff cleaned up. As you can see, the Deere 330G just obliterates and eats these trees. The tree that it's working on now is about 6 inches round, and it just tears it up. So now let's take a look at some before and after photographs. If you'd like to get a hold of Josh at Reclaim Land Management, look in the description. You'll find a phone number there. So now let's take a look at some before and after photographs. If you'd like to get a hold of Josh at Reclaim Land Management, look in the description. You'll find a phone number there.